Okay, this is our song that we made up together.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
And the name of it is
Stomp Like Whale
by Lala, Uncle L, and
Saha.
And the two freaks in the background, just who cares? They didn't really help, so they don't count. Okay, and this song is going to be about our special guest. Oh, hold on.
Ella.
Oh, I can't get... Oh.
She's a bit heavy. She's a whale, you know. There she is. She doesn't look as bad on camera, but trust her, she's pretty bad. Yeah. And those are the dancing whales. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, here we go.
Okay, we're good.
God damn it! Sorry, there's a whale in my face.
God, Stella, get your fat whale ass out of the guitar.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, now for real. Fat cat sitting on the couch wearing a handkerchief. It's got cats on it too. Ooh, that's called catception. Oh yeah!
She
Eats like a whale, she stomps like a whale, she looks like a whale, she is a whale. Meow! Yeah! She's got a boob on her eye. Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! This chubby little whale cat covered in other cats is my only friend. It's so totally stellar. Oh yeah! She eats like a whale, she stomps like a whale, she looks like a whale, she is a whale. Yeah! Yeah!